approach, and from here onwards what we will do, we are going to switch to MySQL. Okay, so go to your browser and just type MySQL. Okay, now here you go to downloads. Now under downloads you come down and here community downloads, click on this. Okay, inside this you just click on MySQL community server, it will open and then आप अपने OS का ये डाल दो आप, by default it will select it, but अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो Mac में हो, Mac OS में हो, या फिर आप Ubuntu में हो, या फिर आप Windows में हो, जो भी हो आप यहाँ पे select कर सकते हो और उसका वर्जन डाल दो. For me it is 11 ARM, तो आई डाउनलोड इट. यहाँ से सबसे जो लेटेस्ट वर्जन होगा ना उसको डाउनलोड करना है आपको, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे जब आप डाउनलोड कर लोगे, व्हेन यू क्लिक डाउनलोड, आई हैव ऑलरेडी डाउनलोडेड इट, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू इट अगेन. सो यहाँ पे डाउनलोड करने के बाद आप आ जाना सीधा यहाँ पे अगर मैं इसको खोलूँगा, देन आई विल गो टू डबल क्लिक दिस. ओके, आई विल ओपन this will open me Explorer. The package will run a program to determine if the SQL server can be installed. Allow. Then you see here number of things are there. So why I am going through this, because I want to show you one thing. I'll go to continue, agree, then installation type install. It will ask my password, so I will enter my password. Okay, so I like okay. I'm not going to do this because I've already installed it. So under configuration part, what will happen, it will ask you a password. ठीक है, एक पासवर्ड सेटअप पूछेगा आपसे यहाँ पे इस पर्टिकुलर में. आई हैव नॉट डन इट, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इंस्टॉलेशन फेल्ड, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी डाउनलोडेड इट एंड ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड इट. सो कन्फिगरेशन पार्ट में आपको वो पासवर्ड डालना है जो आपको याद है. सो कीप दैट थिंग इन माइंड, दैट कन्फिगरेशन पार्ट में वॉट एवर पासवर्ड यू एंटर, द सेम पासवर्ड विल बी यूज्ड इन द टूल्स टू कनेक्ट टू द डेटाबेस. ओके, so when we go to MySQL tools like MySQL Workbench, TabPress or DataGrip, anything which you are going to use, you will have to enter that password. Okay, so just keep it in mind. For time being, I'll close this, move to bin because I've already done it. I'll close this. Now we will need a tool to connect to database. Okay, tool के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can use MySQL Workbench, which is a free version. Okay, then you can use TablePress, which is again a paid version. Okay, and you can use DataGrip. DataGrip is free for 30 days. After that it will be charged $8 or something like that. Okay, so in this video I am going to use DataGrip because it is a very good tool to use. Okay, and it is free for 30 days, so you can do it. Just go to DataGrip, यहाँ पे जाओ आप और यहाँ पे आप माई डेटा ग्रिप के अंदर ये देखो आप माई डेटाबेस वन टूल डाउनलोड 30 डेज फ्री रहेगा इसका. ठीक है, तो आई डाउनलोड इट. मैक ओएस के लिए बोल रही है, तो आई विल गो फॉर मैक ओएस. ऑल द विंडोज यूजर कैन क्लिक दिस विंडो, मैक यूजर कैन क्लिक मैक. इंटेल के लिए या एप्पल सिलिकन के लिए, मेरे लिए तो एप्पल सिलिकन है, सो आई विल गो फॉर दिस एंड विल स्टार्ट डाउनलोडिंग. यू कैन सी हियर. So this will take a couple of time, depends on your internet speed, and once it gets downloaded, come back to me. Alright guys, so I have downloaded it, so I'll just go to open this and double click and I'll drag and drop this to application and it will install me this. Alright, so I think I have installed it, so I'll go to my section and I'll see for that. Okay, DataGrip here, double click, open. Do not import setting, configuration, installation directory, no need, do not import setting. Okay, here you can see that start trial, you can write and log into JetBrains. You don't need to buy license later on, and accept कर देंगे इसको. I'll simply go to DG DataGrip. Okay, here you can see new project, start trial. For starting the trial, I think you will have to log into JetBrains. So this is a tool been formulated by JetBrains, so you can either use it your Google or your GitLab or GitHub to sign in. I'll use my GitHub to sign in. Okay, password. I'll use the password and sign in. Authorize JetBrain. Authorize JetBrain wants to access your browser. Okay. Authorize. So he's asking me to complete the JetBrain account. Okay, I'll use strong password. I'll something else. Alright. Okay. Communication merging JetBrain product. Okay. Submit. Save password. You can close this page and ID. Return to ID. Okay, I'll close it. So I'll go again. Data grep. New project. Now you enter your project name over here. So I'll create a database. Basically, I'm entering a project name as storefront project. Okay, so I'll write storefront, right? Okay, now over here, if you see the plus sign, if you click on this plus sign, it's saying that to return to the last place where you made changes in code, press navigate, close कर दो इसको. ठीक है, यहाँ पे प्लस को आप क्रिएट करो. तो यहाँ पे प्लस पे जैसे क्रिएट करोगे, यू कैन क्रिएट अ न्यू डेटाबेस ओवर हियर, डेटा सोर्स. एंड डेटा सोर्स में यहाँ पे आपके बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है. अपाचे कैसेंड्रा, अपाचे हाइव, अमेजॉन रेडशिफ्ट, बट आई विल हैव टू टेक MySQL. तो मैं यहाँ पे MySQL को ये करूँगा. ओके, नाउ द मोमेंट आई डू दिस, आई गेट दिस पर्टिकुलर terminal wherein I need to enter my details. So local host, if you see, is a by default port 3306. ठीक है, use password. okay, and user को मैं root रख दूंगा यहाँ पे. So user will be root and password will be the password which I had kept while installing my server. So I'll put my password. Okay, then after this you come over here, you see here there's download missing driver file. So you just click this. If you click this, your files will be downloaded. Okay, now after this, what we have to do, test your connection. Okay, so you'll go to test connection, succeeded. So your database has been connected successfully. Now click on OK over here. Now if you right click on the local host, click here to display the others. Got it. So if you right click on this and you write a query console, then it will open your query console. So here we will create a database. So what I'll do, I'll create a database before connecting to Django. So I'll write create database. Okay, and name of the database is storefront. Okay, and when I click this, execute this, it will create a database. So here we have a new database. Now if I just open this, expand this, you can see here this is a database which we have created over here, storefront. Alright, so next section we will see some more things regarding this SQL database and we'll connect our Django application to this. So stay tuned with me and thank you so much for watching me, and I'll see you in the next one.